Hey there, a quick tip for you. We're gonna call this Rob's Quick Tips. If you have a light go out, as I did, to get this off, you're supposed to pry this little thing. This will pop off. You pry this, there's one on this side, and then there's one on this side as well. The quick tip is, if you don't actually pry this or this, which I've taken this off a number of times now, trying to fix that bulb, and it finally burnt out, and I hadn't had any problems. But if you don't do it, you will break this. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now, is replace this bracket, because I broke this one off, and so now I had to spend $10 to buy a new bracket to replace this bulb. So, Rob's Quick Tips. Make sure that you pry these things open. All right, see you next time.